it's Ken with Casual Furniture World. I wanted to bring you a new video. We just got the new Prestige 500 on the floor, which is their best seller. They have beefed it up a little bit and made some improvements, so let's go through those now. Like we covered on our last Phantom video, if you were able to watch that, they have added a wind guard that is removable to the side burner, your infrared side burner. So the nice thing with that is it's going to help block a lot of that air that was getting under on the high setting on your infrared. When I elevate this grate up, air was getting under and affecting the temperature on the infrared. So this wind guard definitely helps. And when you want to, close it up, you can take this off, store it below, and then you do have a new cover for your infrared that comes down and will shut. So it's not just staying open like this like it used to. So that is a nice new feature on the infrared. The other thing that they've done is you do have a stainless steel grate on the side burner. They were doing in the past a cast side burner grate, and that of course can rust if you don't take care of it and oil it. So you don't have that issue anymore. It is purely stainless steel on the grates and on the side burner, so that's a nice upgrade I really do like. Your grates have gotten thicker, so they have taken the grates that they were using supposedly on the Prestige Pro and started putting those on the Prestige models. So they're going to have to beef up the Prestige Pro. I think that's the next remodel that's going to happen in the next year or so. They also are staggering your flavorizers. So you'll notice that they're staggered. We'll get a close-up on that in the grill. These are protecting your burner. They've reshaped them as well. And that's just there really just to protect your burner from any of your drippings from your meats. And the staggering supposedly is supposed to keep a more consistent temperature within the grill. Your knobs still, if you turn them on, if your knob is on with gas flow, it's going to be red. You still got that story with these grills. You still have a warming rack, a rotisserie. The one nice change, like we talked about on the Phantom, is your back burner rotisserie burner is now a lot bigger. So it almost goes the full length of the grill width, which is great because you can put a bigger piece of meat on there and get full coverage of cook. Or you could even buy maybe another pack of these prongs and do 2 pieces of good sized meat on your rotisserie. So that is a plus. You also have your new storage here. You can use this for your phone, for any kind of utensils. You also have some on the side here for your utensils. You'll notice you get a new cleaner front on your door front, double-sided. So we now have a double-sided door, so a lot better quality there. I do like that. They did put a rack in the under part here, so if I want to store something like an accessory, I do have a rack that kind of separates that, so I can slide in like a griddle or my rotisserie basket if I got it and put it in there as well. You still use D batteries for your lights on this grill, so you do get lights on your knobs. You don't get lights inside the grill if that is something you want. You may want to jump up to the Prestige Pro, or there is an option for a light that you can buy as well on these grills as an accessory. So they really have made some decent improvements, even down to the casters. Those casters are a lot bulkier than previous casters. You still get your lifetime warranty with the Prestige collection. This is the 500. You also have the 665 if you want a larger grill. And then you also still can get the connected feature. So your Bluetooth enabled screen here where I can see how my meats are cooking with the temperature gauges that will go into the grill and go into your meats. and that is app controlled through the Napoleon app. So for 300 bucks more, I believe, 300 bucks more, you can add the connected feature on this particular grill. So I do like everything that they've done here. I think that it was well needed improvements needed for this grill. So the price has gone up slightly, but the improvements are well needed, and I think that this grill is going to be a great performing grill for anybody that purchases it this season. We have it at our Winston-Salem store. We should have it at our other stores as well soon. So please come by and check it out and see if it's the grill for you.